Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but here we are filming another one. So for today's video, I want to share with you my morning skincare routine. I wanted to do this video because I feel like a lot of people sometimes don't take care of their skin because they don't really know what products to use, or they need a little bit of guidance. I think my routine is pretty simple and like straight to the point and effective. It works really good for me, and by all means, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a doctor, but I have been really conscious of how I take care of my skin for the last few years, I would say. And I have to say I'm really happy with the way that my skin looks. I feel like it looks really healthy, and a lot of it does have to do with the skincare routine that I do. So I really wanted to just share it with you and maybe give you a little bit of insight on the products and some tips that can definitely help you out. So something else that I want to say before we get into the whole skincare routine is that you really have to keep in mind that your skin is actually a reflection of the inside of your body. So really what we put inside of our bodies reflects in our skin. So I would say that the most important things when it comes to having good and healthy skin is mainly your diet. I notice that when I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and I drink a lot of water, my skin looks a lot better than when I derail a little bit and I have cookies and some fries and maybe some processed foods, which I try to avoid, but you know, it's life and it happens. So it happens to everybody. So I really want to make sure that you guys understand that healthy skin is more than just the products that you put on top of your skin, you know? Not everybody's skin is the same. So before you go out and invest in some skincare products, I would definitely do a quiz or analyze your skin so you know what type of skin you have and the products that are going to work best for you. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
So the first step that I take is wash my face using a gentle cleanser. When I first wake up, my skin is a little bit oily and I don't like to let the oil sit on my skin. I have really been loving the Aveeno Positively Radiant Brightening Cleanser. It's meant to help even out the skin tone and its texture. I really massage it for about 2 minutes with warm water, and I really let it work and remove all the impurities from my skin. It's also oil-free, soap-free, hypoallergenic, and really gentle on the skin. Step number 2 is to use witch hazel. So witch hazel acts as a toner and it really removes any excess oil or dirt that has been left on the skin. So this step really gives me the clean face feel, and after I use it, I know I have removed all the impurities that my skin accumulated in the night. But be careful if you have very sensitive skin because this can be a little bit drying. So after that, I go in with moisturizer, and because I used the witch hazel, this step is super important to make sure my skin is very hydrated. So I use the Drunk Elephant polypeptide cream, and this cream is very rich, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. It sinks into your skin immediately. It leaves the skin looking very glowy and hydrated. So this moisturizer is filled with amino acids and growth factors that helps with dullness, repairing the skin, and it strengthens the skin as well. I've really been loving rosehip oil after my moisturizer. I feel like it gives my skin an extra boost of hydration and it leaves my skin very soft and glowy. And this helps boost collagen, reduces hyperpigmentation, and it really moisturizes the skin. But my trick to this is to really massage it for about 5 minutes using the edge of your fingers, and this really allows the product to work with your skin and it allows the skin to absorb all the nutrients from the oil. And lastly, I go in with sunscreen. So this is a very important step for the daytime, even if you don't go outside, protecting your skin from any UV rays or even blue light on your phone. I really love this sunscreen from the brand Excel. So it acts as a tinted moisturizer, and it also has shea butter, vitamin E, and aloe vera. So it leaves my skin looking very healthy and hydrated, and it gives it a more even tone.
So that is the morning skincare routine. I really hope you guys learned something, learned a few tips, or learned about different products that you might want to try. It's quick, short, effective, and my skin looks really nice lately, so I'm gonna keep doing the same thing, not planning on changing anything for now. Like I mentioned earlier, always keep in mind that there's no good skincare routine without proper nutrition. That always has to come first. So drinking a lot of water helps keep the skin hydrated as well as fight inflammation and just release the toxins from the body. So I try to drink around 3 liters to a gallon of water a day. I know it's a lot, but I'm just used to it at this point, and I feel like that's something that helps my skin look bright and clear. So definitely drink your water. I'm sure you've heard this 1,000 times, but you're gonna hear it again because it's super important. Something else that I include in my diet that has kind of helped me over the last year are supplements. I believe that they are beneficial in the long run. So 3 supplements that I take every single day are vitamin C, flaxseed oil, and my Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster. So vitamin C is not only good to support your immune system, but it actually helps fight inflammation, as well as it helps with the production of collagen, which is really good to keep the skin looking nice and supple. So I also take flaxseed oil every day. It's filled with omega-3 fatty acids, helps fight inflammation, and helps the skin look smooth and really hydrated, which I really like. Then lastly, you guys heard me talk about Halo Beauty. I am on month 5 of these skin supplements, and I have a whole video dedicated to that. I did that when I was 2 months into these vitamins, and I talk all about them. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But yeah, I feel like in the last 5 months, my skin has improved dramatically, and I think these vitamins have a huge role in that. So I'm really, really happy with the results. Like, they have really improved my skin and just the way it glows and the hydration. I feel like my skin also looks a lot more even than it did before. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It always helps me. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Stay tuned because my nighttime skincare routine is coming soon, and I want to show you guys also in that video how I remove my makeup effectively and how I make sure that when I go to sleep, I have no makeup left on my skin. I hope you guys have an incredible day. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!